Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Gonna try a little different format. My wife has said she's willing to try to edit for me, so I'm gonna try to do some different style of recording. And hopefully that doesn't keep happening. Just shut off for some reason. Anyway, so we're gonna get, so let's just get right into it. I don't know if I should describe what I'm doing while I'm doing it, but I'm going to talk, and then if Jody doesn't want that in there, she can cut it out. So just got a new plow on the four-wheeler the other day, and I used it for grading the driveway. I took the skids off, or the snow plowing portion, and graded the driveway, and that worked out really, really good. Should have probably recorded that. Two on top, two in the middle, four on the bottom for now. Okay, got those back on there. Alright, so now I guess next things, I'm going to hook up the trailer. I don't need to explain step by step. I'm just going to get some wood. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and get everything hooked up. Let's see how this works out. Okay. So I got this, I put these on the four-wheeler to put my weed whacker on, put my my auger on for ice fishing, that sort of thing. I just thought of something. So take the axe off of there, fold the tripod up a little bit, throw that in here. Going right into the, yep, okay, and then, look at that shit. warmed up. I'm looking for it to be at least 300 degrees right here. All right, so there's the chimney on the double barrel wood stove. No smoke. Let's go ahead and check it out. Kind of get an idea what she looks like in there. Okay, let's get some temp readings. So remember that plate's in there, so that spot's really hot. Up here's a lot less. What do we got right here? This is the main thing. That's what we're looking to keep above 300. So this thing is removing a lot of heat. Getting a secondary burn right there. I think we get a nice secondary burn because I have that open. Funnels it all through. Man, this is working out pretty slick. Probably right here is about the coldest part of the whole stove. And then we're losing, as we go up it loses a little bit. But trying to maintain at least 300 right there. Okay, so I've just decided that I'm over this pile of wood. I figured if it fits in the wood stove, it's gone. So that's what I'm doing. Can't keep everything.